Here we have a square root equation. So we have to solve for x in the square root equation. Okay, so here in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this first square root as exponent. So whenever I write square root as exponent, the exponent will be 1/2. And also we have to understand the first square root we have for this stuff. So we have to write the square root for this stuff as exponent 1/2. Okay, let me do that. X times square root of x to the power 1/2 equals to 128. Okay, here two quantities are in multiplication and we have common exponent. Whenever two or more quantities are multiplied and we have common exponent, the exponent can be distributed to each quantity and multiply them. Okay, let me do it. So x times x to the power 1/2 square root of x to the power 1/2 equals to 128. So here the exponent 1/2 is distributed to this one and this one. Okay, x times x to the power 1/2. And so we can write this square root as exponent, then we'll be getting x to the power 1/2. Already we have exponent 1/2 over here equals to 128. So we have x times x to the power 1/2 times. Okay, whenever we have two exponents like this, we can multiply the two exponents according to the power rule of exponents. When I multiply these two exponents 1/2 and 1/2, it will become 1/4 equals to 128. Okay, for the first x, actually we don't have any exponent. So if there is no exponent, we have to assume there is exponent 1. Here on the left side, three terms are multiplied with the same base x. Whenever two or more terms are multiplied with the same base, we have to take the base ones and we have to add the exponents. So then I'll be getting 1 positive, 1/2 positive, 1/4 equals to 128. Okay, now let me add the first two exponents, 1 positive 1/2. When I add 1 and 1/2, it will be x to the power 3/2 positive 1/4 equals to 128. Okay, here to add these two fractions, I need the same denominator, but here the denominator is 4, here the denominator is 2. So if I multiply this denominator by 2, it will also become 4. So I multiply the first fraction, the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 2. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 3 is 4. Positive 1/4 equals to 128. So here I multiplied the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 2 because I need to have the same denominator, 4. That's why. So now, so here we have the same denominator for both the fractions. So we can take the common denominator 4 and we have to add the numerators. 6 plus 1 is just 7 equals to 128. Okay, so my aim is to solve for x. So now I have to get rid of this exponent 7/4. Okay, to get rid of this exponent 7/4, what I need to do is have to raise both sides to the power of 4/7. Okay, let me raise both sides of the equation to the power of 4/7. So already we have x to the power 7/4. It is raised to the power 4/7. So that when we multiply them, so 4 will cancel, 7 will cancel. We'll just get x on the left side. Okay, on the right side also, the stuff 128 has to be raised to the power of 4/7. Okay, so here we can multiply the two exponents according to the power rule of exponents. Then I'll be getting x to the power 7/4 times 4/7 equals to, and 128 can be written as 2 to the 7th power because it's a power of 2. So this 4 cancels, 7 will cancel. I just get x on the left side. On the right side, we can multiply the two exponents. So 7 times 4/7, this 7 and 7 will cancel out. 2 to the 4th power, which is equal to 16. So the value of x in the given equation is 16.